Are your videos getting buried in the YouTube crowd? The algorithm isn't a mystery, if you have the right vision. What if you could uncover hidden keywords and outsmart your competitors? Introducing the most exclusive YouTube SEO toolkit on the market.
It all starts with a simple idea. Just type your video concept into our exclusive YouTube Video SEO Generator.
Welcome to the Explainer. Let's dive right in and see how AI can totally skyrocket your YouTube reach.
You know, YouTube's the world's second largest search engine, right? But hey, are you actually treating it like one?
Seriously, without good metadata, even your most brilliant videos will just get totally buried in those search results.
Enter the SEO Software AI Generator. It basically swaps out pure guesswork for smart, data-driven metadata suggestions. And honestly, the best part? It's completely free to use. Yep, absolutely zero sign-up required to get started.
The whole process is super simple. Just 3 quick steps to completely optimize your next big upload.
First up, type your core video idea. Pro tip, being super specific here gets you way better results. Next, optionally, add your channel's niche, like tech or cooking. This perfectly tailors the AI's tone and vocabulary.
Then just hit generate and boom, you instantly get a full, ready-to-publish YouTube SEO metadata package.
The AI hands you 5 optimized title options, all with perfect keyword placement to really grab viewers' attention.
Plus, you get a fully drafted description with natural keyword density. Just copy, paste, and you're good.
Oh, and it doesn't forget the back end. You get hidden meta tags plus highly searched public hashtags too.
It even digs into the data to recommend your absolute best upload time, primary language, and target country.
So who's this for? Honestly, everyone from beginners to agencies, and especially non-native speakers needing natural English phrasing.
But here's a crucial tip. Treat the AI's output as a really strong first draft, doing the heavy lifting.
Then, just tweak a word or two so it perfectly matches your channel's unique, authentic, personal voice.
You know, you can generate this metadata before you even film and just script right around top-performing keywords.
Stop letting your amazing content hide in the shadows. Ask yourself, are your videos truly optimized or just uploaded?
Unlock the YouTube SEO Generator now.
Unlock your exclusive access today at SEOSoftwareAI.com.